Emily's got one crazy eye. She looks to the west and she looks to the sky. And don't ask her what she sees. Don't ask her what she believes. I can only say I've seen better days. This is my mistake. I'll get what I take. Bonjour. This is the pre-show to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. We'll be going live. I mean, we're live now, but we're at 6 o'clock as usual, and that'll be in half an hour. And I just thought I would pop on early to test the audio. So if you don't feel like seeing a guy just noodle around on his guitar, come back at 6 o'clock. We'll be having our live stream BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast, where today's Ojibwe word of the day will be Bemidji Gamug, the lake of the crossing water. And that's where I'm filming from this morning. Gonna take a train down at the station, Lord. I ain't never coming back. Gonna take 'em downtown all the way to Georgia now, till that train run out of track. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help, I can't help falling in love with you. So, welcome to the show. Let me see if I'm seeing everything I need to see here. We are going live, correct? Am I on the right page? I don't know. I just don't know sometimes, people. So it's public. Did I not set this up properly? Tuesday morning live stream. All right. I'm going to edit this thing on the fly, you guys. If this thing is marked for children, yes, it's made for kids. No, it's not made for kids. Save. I wonder if the comments will come up. Or do I have to sign out and come back? Can I see some comments? I might have to sign out and come right back. I'm so sorry. I screwed it all up. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end the stream and I'll be back in just a minute.